Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Messenger's conversations. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To download Facebook Messenger conversations, go and tap on the Facebook application. Now, as soon as you do that, make sure you're signed into your account. From your home screen of Facebook, tap on the Hamburger menu at the upper right corner. Scroll all the way down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings one more time and scroll a bit down. Under your Facebook Information tab, tap on Download Your Information. From this option, you can download a copy of your Facebook information anytime you want. In order to download the conversations only, first tap on Deselect All. Now tap on Messages option. Scroll all the way down. Select your date range from the category. Select the format for your download. Select the media quality from high to low, and then finally tap on Create File. Soon after you do that, your conversation on Facebook Messenger is being downloaded. As soon as your download is completed, you'll receive a notification saying that your request has been completed, and that way you'll be able to download your Facebook Messenger conversations easily. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.